Hi all, Steve from Arizona Backpacking Rentals, and today I want to show you why renting one of our kits really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, reserve your kit at www.arizonabackpackingrentals.com. 2, get it delivered to your hotel or Airbnb or your house, or pick up and drop off is available in the Metro Phoenix area. And 3, simply put it back in this box, attach the return shipping label that's also included in your box, and send it back. It really is that simple. Let's get into the pack and walk through everything you're gonna get with one of our backpacking kits. All right, definitely recommend using a key rather than a knife blade to open so that we don't cut through the backpack. But let's get into it. Trekking poles. You're gonna be very happy that you have those, especially on the steep parts of the canyon. As far as the pack itself, for a men's pack, we have the Osprey Atmos 65, one of the most highly regarded backpacks on the market. Absolutely phenomenal. I use this myself. They are so comfortable, tons of ventilation, anti-gravity system. And for women, we're using the Gregory Kalmia 60. Incredible packs. These are the creme de la creme of backpacks. Let's get into the pack a little bit. All right. All right, so for a sleeping bag, we have either a Nemo Rift 30-degree bag or a Nemo Disco 15-degree bag. Just depends on the temps that you're gonna be heading into. These pack up small. Incredible warmth for the amount of weight, but the best thing about these, they are not mummy bags. They're wide, they're comfortable. If you're a side sleeper, you are in business with this. To me, sleep is one of the most essential things to get right when you're in the backcountry, and this sleeping bag is gonna help get you there. We're using the Nemo Tensor sleeping pad. My favorite pad. I feel like I've used every pad on earth. This is my favorite. Packs up small, light, but incredible for side sleeping. Very user-friendly, very durable. And this is a wide pad. It's 25 inches wide instead of the standard 20. That extra 5 inches of width ensures that you're not gonna be rolling off your pad in the middle of the night. Our standard kit comes with the Nemo Dragonfly, 1 person. This is one of the lightest and just most intuitive 1-person freestanding tents on the market. Big fan of Nemo tent products. That's gonna come standard. If you're a couple, or if you book a 2-person package or 3-person package, we do have the option. Just let me know what you prefer. This is the Nemo Dagger. This is a 2-person tent. And one of the best things about this is that it's one of the only 2-person tents that can accommodate 2 wide pads. So you'll be super comfortable with this sleep system right here. Speaking of the sleep system, we're gonna do the Sea to Summit Aeros pillow. Look how tiny that is. It is so light, but it is so comfortable and it's so user-friendly and it's so easy to inflate. So essentially this is gonna cover your tent, your pillow, your sleeping pad, your sleeping bag. For a cook system, we're using the Jetboil Flash 1 liter, and it's gonna have everything you need. It has a bowl. This is where you're gonna set it on the fuel canister. Speaking of fuel canisters, it's gonna be right inside of there, making this super easy for you to set up. This will boil water in about 1 minute. Absolutely phenomenal. Couple old school Nalgene bottles, super rugged and durable. These hold 1 liter of water each. Really helps you kind of monitor what your water intake's gonna be. If you use different bottles, wanna bring your own, just let us know, no problem. Set those down right there. Gonna get a first aid kit with all of the essentials. You're gonna get a day pack. So if you're hiking Havasu Falls and you want to go to Mooney Falls, Beaver Falls, the Confluence, or if you're hiking the Grand Canyon, let's say you're staying at Bright Angel Campground and want to hike to Ribbon Falls, you're not going to want to take this, okay? So we're going to toss in this super lightweight, but really awesome little day pack right here. It's got lots of pockets. It has pockets inside. It has pockets for water bottles over on the side. Put this on, you're off for your day hike. All right. Let's see what else we have in our bag of tricks. Oh yeah, you're gonna need a headlamp. So you're gonna get a headlamp, red and white light capability. Red light, always try to start with that. This one turns on automatic to red light, and I love that, so you're not blinding anyone else. And then you can elevate it to a white light by holding it down for a minute. So yeah, brighten it up, there we go, beautiful. Headlamp, okay, so this covers our Grand Canyon package. With the Havasu Falls package, there's gonna be one other item that's gonna be thrown in there, and that is a rat sack. The reason is, there's lots of little critters. There are mice that will get into your pack, so we need to protect your food from that. You're gonna wanna hang your pack. Lots of information about that on the web. I think I have some of that on my website, but we're gonna wanna protect that with a rat sack. So that's gonna come with the Havasu Falls package. Couple add-on options. The Helinox Chair Zero weighs about a pound. I often take this on backpacking trips. I think it's worth it. Super comfortable chair, 1 pound, goes anywhere with you. Very comfortable. And water filter. If you like a filter, we do have gravity filters if you want to filter water from somewhere else. So if you don't own any gear, you don't want to fly with your gear, you're just not sure what you need because you're kind of new to backpacking, or maybe you're just afraid of forgetting something, we have got you covered. Literally, we have everything you need right here to have an incredible adventure at Havasupai Falls or the Grand Canyon. Literally just add food and water, clothing, and you are off to the races. You have everything you need right here. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Again, really, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just reserve your kit, get it delivered, or pick it up, pack it up and send it back. That simple. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. info@arizonabackpackingrentals.com, and I'm happy to reach back out to you personally, help with any questions that you have related to the hike, other gear outside of this. I'm happy to help with anything. This is my passion, introducing people to backpacking. We'd love to have a conversation, love to help you out, and would love to be a partner with you. Thanks so much for watching. Steve from Arizona Backpacking Rentals. Happy trails.